Police and emergency responders are again getting a lot of calls for help today, and that's after last night when they were pretty much non-stop. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker is live out on the weather deck with that part of our big story. Charlie.
And Juliet, these call volumes were so huge. Any way you really slice it, if you were an emergency responder on duty last night, it was an all hands on deck scenario.
Report of an unknown multi-vehicle crash southbound 131 north of West River.
911 audio captures law enforcement responding to a chain reaction crash that temporarily shut down southbound 131 at Post Drive Wednesday.
Callers advising approximately 20 vehicles possibly piled up.
More than a dozen vehicles, unable to stop, found themselves caught up in the icy mess. Dozens more veered into snowbanks to avoid the wreckage in what would wind up the largest pileup of the night.
Any time that multiple resources, not only from a law enforcement perspective, trying to manage their way to that scene in a safe manner, it puts that much more risk for more accidents.
911, what's your emergency?
Kent County dispatchers still busy, but with decidedly more breathing room Thursday. Between emergency and non-emergency, beginning around noon, nearly 600 calls ran through the lines here, which figures out to one every 30 seconds at the peak of the storm.
Which is astounding when you look at what a normal day is for our 911 center. In that 6-hour period, we more than doubled those phone calls. We're extremely proud of our communications center. They're unsung heroes.
We have both lanes of traffic southbound blocked again.
Law enforcement in hard-hit Muskegon County responded Wednesday to 16 accidents with reported injuries, 48 without, and a whopping 49 slide-offs as conditions continued to deteriorate. While Ottawa didn't have any concrete numbers, dispatch said calls were well above average. Getting ready to face another busy night with more snow on the way.
It's potentially another accident waiting to happen.
The message from first responders:
if you do have to go out, turn your lights on, and by all means, slow down. My best advice, just don't drive. Yeah, that is certainly the advice heading into the evening commute tonight as well. Slow down, take your time, and maybe save some lives in the process. Well, last night did unfortunately see one fatal crash, the one in Walker we told you about. Law enforcement certainly thankful that despite the number of accidents, there were so few injuries.